New Relic, which is one of the popular observability SaaS provider, has also jumped into the generative AI race. They have come up with New Relic Grok, which they are touting as world's first generative AI assistant for observability. According to New Relic's website, this Grok leverages OpenAI's large language models, or LLMs in short, so that any observability engineer can use everyday language and a familiar interface to ask questions and get insights without prior observability experience. And to be fair and honest, this is what I believe the future of observability is. No one has the time or really the skill set or the patience to just sit there, watch the screens of these observability softwares, no matter how catchy and flashy they are, and just see where the issue is and if everything is running right, or just sift through the logs. Because there are hundreds and thousands of various components in this microservices age where you cannot really keep tabs on everything, even if you have these modern tooling around New Relic, Datadog, and lot of others. So this New Relic Grok democratizes access to data for all engineers, app developers, DevOps, SREs, security professionals, product managers, support people, QA, and even testers and executives. And it gives a very easy to use interface to all of these people in a summarized way. Any user can now use everyday language and a familiar chat interface to simply ask New Relic Grok to help them with anything they need to do. I believe that this is a good step in the right direction, and I'm more than sure that other competitors of New Relic like Dynatrace, Datadog would be coming up with similar products. And there is always a chance of a brand new product on the market, and I'm already seeing a lot of LLMs are doing the same. So if you are already a New Relic customer, then all you need to do is to go to New Relic account, and then you might get 100 GB per month of data and just free, and maybe one free full platform user access. And then you can start ingesting the telemetry data. And once you have telemetry data and New Relic Grok has access to it, then you can test out this Grok. You can also apply for early access there and then go from there. I will also drop the link to this website of Grok where you can even see more information about it. You can also watch this video where they show how to get instant insights with the natural language with the Grok. And then there are few of the use cases you can use Grok for, starting from instrumentation and onboarding to fixing issues and also getting some um, insights into things like Kubernetes, deployments, and then so on. You can also just ask Grok what is the root cause of if any API is gone down or if you face any issue, and Grok will come back to you. So not only that, you also get the AI suggested code fixes, and then there are a lot of other things you can do with it. You can also read the facts about it, and this is where they say that what exactly Grok means. According to New Relic, Grok means to understand profoundly and intuitively, and this term was coined in 1961. I hope that you found it interesting and useful. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.